Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your online status on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device. And once you open it up, after completing the basic tutorial levels, you will be taken into your homepage. Now if you wish to hide your online status, all you will need to do is tap on the toggle where it says online and make sure to turn it off. Once you tap this and turn it off, your online status will be turned off, and now you will not be visible to anyone, and likewise you will also not be able to view if others are online. And there you have it. That is how you can hide your online status on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.